Google is back at it again. The Pixel 10 has officially arrived, and it might just be the smartest phone of 2025. If you've been waiting for a true iPhone killer, this could be the one. Let's break it down. The Pixel 10 rocks a sleeker, flatter design with ultra-thin bezels and a stunning 6.8-inch OLED display that's brighter than ever. Google's pushing 2K resolution with a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. And yes, it's built with recycled titanium for a premium but eco-friendly feel. Under the hood, you get the brand new Google Tensor G5 chip, co-developed with TSMC this time, which means faster speeds, cooler temp, and way better efficiency. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this phone is ready for gaming, multitasking, and AI features that no other phone can touch. Now, the Pixel's cameras have always been legendary, but the Pixel 10 takes it up another level. A 200-megapixel main sensor, improved night mode, and real-time video stabilization make it a beast for both photos and 8K video. And with Google's AI, you can literally erase reflections, fix lighting, and even tweak faces, all instantly. Pixel 10 runs Android 16 out of the box with 7 years of updates. Google Assistant now works fully offline, and Gemini AI is baked right into the phone, meaning smarter search, live translation, and even AI-generated wallpapers that adapt to your day. So, is the Pixel 10 the best Android phone of the year? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more quick tech breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button because the future of smartphones just got a whole lot smarter.